Look at this yummy plate of eggplant fries, and yes, they taste as good as they look. I think the secret ingredient is the everything bagel seasoning. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below this video. And of course, you need an air fryer. You can use any air fryer. The one I'm using is an oven style with a viewing window, but you can also use a drawer style air fryer, whatever you happen to have. So now that you know the secret, here's what you'll need for two large-sized eggplants. If you have just one eggplant, then cut the recipe in half. For two eggplants, I use 2 eggs, a cup of cornflake crumbs, 2 tablespoons of everything bagel seasoning, and extra virgin olive oil in a spritzer, or you can buy a spray can of it, or any other oil you want to use. I like the extra virgin olive oil, but I've used avocado oil and it also comes out great. So now scramble up the 2 eggs, then combine about half a cup of cornflake crumbs with a generous tablespoon of the bagel seasoning. Excuse my very clean hands. Next, I spray the air fryer tray with some of the olive oil, and at the same time, I'm oiling my board. Next, it's time to slice up the eggplant. I cut off one end, then slice the eggplant in half, and working with one half at a time, I cut it into wedges, or fries if you will. And no, I don't peel my eggplant, but you can if you want to. Also, I like nice chunky wedge-shaped pieces, like you see here, but you can really cut these any shape you want. Now for the other half of the eggplant. And there, I'm done with one. Now it's time to dip each slice in the egg, then in the crumb mixture, and line them up on the air fryer tray. Once the tray is full, I give the coated eggplant fries a spritz of oil. You can see the cornflake coating with the bagel seasoning. Again, that seasoning is what makes these really delicious. And into the air fryer these go. I'm lucky enough to have an extra tray, so I oil that and repeat the process of dipping the fries in egg, then in the crumb mixture, and line them up on a tray. Another spritz of oil, and into the air fryer the second tray goes. And that takes care of eggplant number 1. The default setting on my air fryer is 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, so I let it start there, but then I check it after 10 minutes and rotate the trays. I don't find it necessary to flip the fries in this oven. I do in the drawer style oven, but this oven has good air circulation, although rotating the trays gives the bottom tray a chance to catch up to the top tray, since the heating element is at the top of the unit. So after around a total of 20 minutes in the air fryer, they're done. And now it's ready for the second eggplant. Look at that. Beautiful, crispy, and delicious. Now I'm going to do the second eggplant with the rest of the egg and the rest of the crumb mixture. Bon appetit, and thanks for watching. Bye.